Hello friends, in today's class we'll talk about language processor which includes loader and linker and their responsibilities. Now to understand link editor, let's think of a situation where we are having a program, we have written a C program. But what we have not done is we have not defined, let's say, a function, and that is a printf function. Okay. So what we do is we include a header file, something like hash include std io.h. Okay, the standard header input output file, header file we include. Now it is the responsibility of the link editor to create a bridge or link between these two parts. Okay, so it is the responsibility of the link editor to take the assembly program for this C language assembly part and just take the assembly part of printf and link them together. Okay. So creating a single executable file. Another example let me give you, then I'll just write the simple definition that we are using a keyword extern int-a. Okay, now this is the another example. So extern int-a is when we talk about extern, when you use the keyword extern int-a, so we can have a variable declared in another file. Okay, so it is a situation where a variable declared in another file and we are having external references of it. So whenever large projects are being developed, so the best idea is to create a single file for holding all the variables and just create an external references for them. Okay, so that is the situation extern int-a is used. So again what we need to do is we have to take our source program and we have to take another program that consists of all the variables, source program with variables, and again we have to just put the bridge between them, and that is again is done by your link editor. Okay, so it is the responsibility of the link editor to combine all the files. Okay, I can write the definition over here. Let's say to combine all external references file and create a single executable file. So to creating a single executable file, that is the responsibility of the link editor. The last one here in this case is the loader. Okay, that loader. Okay, so the library part and the relocatable object files, okay, that we combine with this link editor. Finally, the loader, it is the responsibility of the loader to load the final file for execution in main memory. Okay, so that is the responsibility of loader, that it will create a final file, and the term here used here in this case is absolute machine code. Okay, now what is absolute machine code? My absolute machine code, when we know that where in main memory, okay, where in main memory program will be loaded. So I know where in the main memory, I know the exact memory location where program will be loaded. So that is the language processing system. We have an order among link editor and loader also, though it is written together. The first is done is the link editor. First responsibility is to resolve all the external references, and finally comes here in this case is a loader.